The price of Terra is definitely going to be blowing up very soon. So Terra Luna really made a huge reversal, and I really believe that we are going to be seeing a new all-time high of Terra Luna in the next coming few months. So if you look at the previous all-time high, right? The previous all-time high was around $103, and at this particular moment we are only 11.9% from the previous all-time high. So this is one of the reasons why I really believe that the price of Terra, aka Luna, is obviously going to be exploding. And I just wanted to give you like a quick explanation of what really happened, because yesterday you guys already saw my video, and in yesterday's episode, right, I did let you know the areas that I'm going to be interested in rebuying and repurchasing Luna. So obviously I was expecting some more downside as far as Bitcoin is concerned, and as far as the whole entire cryptocurrency markets are concerned. So basically the whole of yesterday, I was in USD Tether, and I'm just going to be honest with you guys, because I love being honest. This move, I haven't really benefited from it because I was on the sidelines, because I just didn't believe that this particular pump was going to be able to hold and last. So this is one of the reasons why I was taking a safer bet. At the times we were like around these particular levels, right? I thought we were going to continue dropping down, and we're going to see some more downside, because hey, take a look at BTC. BTC is actually, or rather was, on a threshold of dropping like even further, because if we went the other way around, right, the downside could have been potentially below 30,000 US dollars. But this is how technical analysis works. It's all about adjusting and adapting to the new information, the new data. So at this particular moment, right, we are having new data as far as Bitcoin is concerned, as far as Terra is concerned. So from now on, at least for now, to the next 48 hours, I am bullish, because the 3-day time frame is going to probably close in a bullish manner. So we only have around 3 hours 47 minutes remaining, right, as far as Bitcoin is concerned. So by the time this 3-day time frame closes, we are probably going to end up being bullish. And if we end up being bullish, then you have to be looking for longing position. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying, look, all right, yesterday we didn't really dump as I was expecting. We ended up correcting, and this is what we are having. So what I'm going to be looking forward to is having a little bit of a retracement and then continuation like that. So that is definitely what I am going to be looking out for. So anything which is going to be close to 42,000 or slightly below 42,000 per BTC is going to be like a very good entry. But best believe I'm going to be keeping you up to date with what is going to be happening. So in the next few hours, I expect a slight retracement, because as you can see right over here, as far as Bitcoin is concerned, we are reaching this particular level, the previous rejection right over here. So obviously it's going to be a little bit of some support. So I really expect at least 42,500 to come into play, and then from there we're going to be able to decide whether we're going to continue going up or not. So best believe BTC, the best entry is going to be close to 42,500 or even slightly lower, because this is obviously going to be like a very interesting area to get in because of this particular cluster of trading action. So now that you guys understand that I am short-term bullish on BTC. By the way, remember, short-term bullish on BTC, okay, because anything can happen. We still have the Ukrainian Russian fiasco going on, so anything can happen. But hey, at this particular moment, let me kid you not, we are absolutely bullish So now, getting back to Terra, and due to the fact that we are about to experience a new all-time high, and of course the other days we did talk about the 3 reasons why Terra is absolutely exploding and why people are gravitating towards, Terra, aka Luna. So the price of Luna is about to do some amazing stuff. So expect a little bit of a retracement, which is going to be coming, and I really believe 75 could be like a very, very good opportunity, but I highly doubt it's going to come. But I believe 81 should be in the place. 81 all the way up to around $85. $85 could be like a very good re-entry. As you can see right over here, if you look at the 4-hour time frame, we did end up dropping to around 86. So anything between 80 to about 85, we could slightly go to 75. But if we had to drop to $75 or per Luna, that would just definitely be very good. So a very good entry for Luna is between 75 to around $85. So buy Luna at this particular price. So this is what I'm going to be looking forward to. But anyway, in case it doesn't happen, well, you can always adjust and figure out what to do next. But I really believe $75 to around $85 is absolutely attainable, and you guys are going to be able to get you some Luna, aka Terra. So overall, I'm very impressed with the price of BTC. So where can BTC go and where could we end up getting rejected? So from here, if we are able to close above 44,800, or rather, above, 45,000 and above, right? I really expect the price of BTC going to around 52,000. So 52,000 is actually absolutely possible, and it is an opportunity that could really grant us a whole lot of profit. So are the markets reacting to what is happening in Russia and Ukraine? Are we beginning to see some bit of institutional money coming through? And by the way, I have one theory. I definitely do think that people in Russia are beginning to buy and accumulate a lot of cryptocurrency because the banking system has been taken off of the SWIFT platform. So best believe a lot of Russian oligarchs are definitely going to be looking for alternatives. And by the way, Russian citizens are probably the ones that really influence the markets to sort of do what they did yesterday, because this particular pump was absolutely insane and it happened so fast. And just like I told you, right, I didn't even get the chance to buy back cheaper because I didn't want to FOMO. And this is when it just started correcting after pumping for hours and hours. Like ever since this particular pump right over here, right, it hasn't basically done any major correction. So but I really believe that the corrections are going to come, and I really believe that 42,500 is absolutely attainable and it is feasible. So yeah, Terra is obviously going to be going to a new all-time high, and it's bound to happen. So if we look at the maximum price of the maximum price action, right, this really looks absolutely bullish to me. It is absolutely bullish. So all the retracements that are going to be made on Luna, they are definitely going to be bought back like very, very fast. So that is something that you're supposed to be looking out for, and let's find out and see what is definitely going to be happening. So take a look at that as well. So overall, Terra is a very great investment, and I really believe there's going to be more great things coming on. So this is just the basic update that I really wanted to give you, because you guys yesterday heard my analysis, and things did go the other way around. So we obviously need to adjust. So this is what happens. This is just what happens when trading. Sometimes the markets do perform otherwise, and then you just have to react to the market and adapt. Okay, so basically I was in USD Tether, right? Me being in USD Tether, I haven't lost anything. I haven't lost anything because the money is still intact. The only thing that I need to do right now is find a better entry. So either ways, I could have made some profits if I just held on to the trade. But hey, imagine if the price dropped. If the price ended up dropping, right, I could have saved a whole lot more money. So if the price pumps, it's very easy for me to catch up and just jump right back in. But if the price ended up dropping and if I was stuck in that particular trade, right, it could have been very difficult for me to make back the money, because now the price is needed to go higher, etc. It's better off jumping back in when you get the confirmation. So just like I indicated yesterday, right, in order for me to jump back into Luna, I need to have confirmation where the price of Luna closes and goes above $86. So I really believe Luna is about to have a very bullish trend. We're going to close above $90 or even $86, and that really means that there's going to be more upside, so I can really participate and benefit. So this is just how the cookie crumbles. I really hope you guys had a great time. I really hope that you understand where I'm coming from. It's all about being adapting and just knowing when to switch positions when the markets give you some more data. So yeah, talk to you guys a little bit later. You guys have been so awesome. Thank you very much, and God bless you.